reviewing this bob wig from Snow Hair on Amazon. So if you're interested, make sure you tune in so I can give you the specs on this wig. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. And let's go. Okay, y'all. So like I said, this is a bang bob wig from Snow Hair. It's from Amazon. It's about 10 inches. And this is what it looks like on the inside. You have 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom, and like there's not really lace, it's just this. And this is what the wig looks like. It's kind of like a closure, I guess. I don't know. But I'm gonna put this on my head and we're gonna straighten it. I haven't touched this wig at all. I haven't washed it. I should have though. It came in this bag. Super cute bag. A little crooked. So don't be like me. You might want to make sure your hair is flat under this, since it is, what did I say, 10 inches. You just want to make sure your hair is as flat as possible so the wig can be flat. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all, it has adjustable straps too. Okay, so I am getting some shedding. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. But this just fell out the hair. Like I said, I haven't cut her at all. Don't plan on cutting the bangs, even though they are long. I just pushed the wig back so it won't be all up in my face. But we're going to straighten her. This is straight as I'm probably going to do her. I really can't see. I don't got my contacts in. So I really don't want to burn myself. But so far she's cute. Like, she's not, this piece is getting on my nerves, but she's cute. I think she looks kind of funny because I got her scooted back, but I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I had to get up and straighten her some more, straighten her out. The bangs definitely need to be cut. But she's cute. So y'all see how quick and simple that was? I love when wigs are just like that. Like, you don't have to do a lot to them. I literally just took her out the package and straightened her. I didn't cut the bangs, but I probably would. Just like a little bit, probably right here. I don't really know how to do that, so I don't want to mess the wig up. That's the only reason why I'm not cutting the bangs. But if you know how to cut bangs, go for it. So we're gonna see what it looks like with an accessory on. I ordered this off of AliExpress. It was like $7 and it came in like a week. It came really fast. this is cute. And my outfit is from Shein. It's a cute little short set. You can't really see it, but you'll see it in my next video. I got y'all Shein haul coming soon. So let me read y'all the specs of this wig. I feel like this video was super fast. I don't know. Okay. So like I said, snow hair off of Amazon, 100% human hair. And this says that this is 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair. It's 130 density, 10 inches, natural color, medium size cap. I mean, my head is big, as y'all know, and I got my hair in a ponytail under here. That's probably why the wig's not sitting as flat as it could, but I got room in here, and I don't even got the adjustable straps like strapped up, so I think you guys will be good. If you have a big head, it is big head friendly. And the price, so let's see how much it is. Currently for 10 inches it is $32.99. If you want a 14 inch it's $46.99, and then 16 is $58.99. This wig took like probably 3 or 4 days to come to me. It was sent to me by Snow Hair, but I do actually like the wig. I like this better than my clip-in that I got. So, like, this is what I wanted my clip-in bangs to, how thin I want it's gonna be, I guess, or thicker. I can't remember. But this is cute. This would be a really cute, like, summer wig, even though summer is almost over, and winter. And you can get your headbands ready and put them on your head and go. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of this super quick and easy video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go watch my other videos. If you don't necessarily want a bob wig, I do have a clip tutorial on my channel. You can clip it to any wig that you own. So look, I got some for you. I got colored wigs, I got hauls, I got skincare, whatever it is that you're into, I probably have it on my channel. So go check that out, and I will see y'all in the next video. Haul coming soon. We're doing comfortable, and yeah, so I will see y'all when I see y'all. Bye, charms.